This is Igbo-Daily TV. We welcome you once again to the city of Owerri, Imo State. Join us on a tour to explore the city, to see how the city looks like, to see the latest developments in the city, especially in the environment, the aesthetics, the beauty of the city, the ambience, and other things happening in the city. As you can see, Owerri has continued to look clean, beautiful, aesthetic. The ambience is so pleasing. We can't stop talking about the beautiful roads in this city, how spacious their roads are. All the roads are very spacious, wide, to accommodate many vehicles passing at the same time. Owerri is a beautiful city. Owerri is not Igbo heartland for nothing. The city deserves what it is called. Now, let's start our journey. Our journey begins from here, from this road. We have never shown you this particular road before, this particular area, this environment. Follow us to explore this place, this road, to see how the place looks like. You can see everywhere is beautiful. Everywhere is beautiful. The road is still a dual carriageway with 4 lanes. I have said this severally. Owerri has the widest roads in the southeast. All their roads are very spacious, from 8 lanes to 6 lanes to 4 lanes. Sometimes you will hardly see double lane, 2 lanes. All the lanes in their road start from 4 to 8 lanes, and that is a very welcome development. Some people don't know the importance of this. In the future, if government wants to reconstruct any roads, there will not be a need for demolition of buildings or damaging of people's property to expand roads. All the roads have been expanded to their full sizes, to the wideness all of them should be. And you see this particular road, without the road was marked, how clean it is, how neat it is. The same thing you will see when you go to another place. Almost everywhere is the same. Owerri has so many beautiful places. Beautiful, almost the places in this city that are very beautiful are many. If you go to this place, you will see beauty of that place. If you go to another area, you will see another beauty of that area entirely. Keep watching the video. You are going to see a lot of things in this video as you watch. Keep watching. As you can see, everywhere is looking neat, beautiful. Keep watching. Another thing I like about their roads, they construct all their roads to be very solid. You can see this kind of walkway. It looks aesthetically beautiful. I love the way the walkway was done.